Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm talking to you how to recover deleted Instagram messages safely. So guys, before you tap a single button, I need to give you a massive warning. If you search online for a fix, you are going to see hundreds of pages pushing Instagram DM recovery software, so just ignore that, stay away from them. Those are absolute scams. And the only real method relies on a legal loophole. So when you hit delete on your phone, Meta actually stores your chat history on their backup service for a few weeks before wiping it permanently. So you can just request a copy of that hidden file. So open up Instagram, go to your profile, click on the three-line menu here on the top. Then guys, tap Account Center. Then you go ahead and choose your information and permissions. And here, as you can see, this is what you need. You just need to go ahead and click Export your information. So hit Create and then uncheck everything except for the box next to Messages. And this makes this file size way smaller, so it can just process these in hours instead of weeks. So set your format to HTML, pick your date range and tap Start Export. And then you will download a zip file at the end with those messages inside. Enjoy. If you like our videos, subscribe.